Yo, let's get real. You're sitting there with student loans, a half-empty coffee cup, and zero clue what's next. Enter Elon Musk, guy who built rockets and electric cars from scratch. Here's his raw, no bullshit advice for students and grads. Spoiler, it's not get good grades. 1. Your first job? Make it irrelevant. Musk dropped this truth bomb. If you can't get hired, hire yourself. Dude couldn't even land an interview at Netscape in the 90s. So, he started Zip2. Lesson: stop begging for permission. Got skills? Build something. Anything. Even if it flops, you'll learn more than any internship. Physics is greater than everything else. Musk's secret weapon? First principles thinking. Translation: rip off the Band-Aid of how things are done. Ask, what's physically possible? Example: rockets cost 65 M. Nah. Musk broke it down to raw materials. 65 million? Nah. Musk broke it down to raw materials. 2 million. And built SpaceX. Your move: stop copying. Start questioning everything. Fear is your Uber driver. I feel fear way more than people think, Musk admits. But here's the kicker. Use fear as GPS. If your idea doesn't scare you, it's too small. Graduating? Terrifying. Starting a company? Terrifying. Choose the fear that pays off. Risk everything while you can. Musk's golden rule: take big risks young. If you're 22 and fail, you crash on a friend's couch. Big deal. No kids, no mortgage. Now's the time to gamble. Worst case, you'll have a killer story. Best case, you'll rewrite your life. Learn like your brain's a supercomputer. Musk roasts modern education. It's like downloading data with dial-up. Feeks: gamify learning. Code while binge-watching Netflix. Study physics via YouTube rabbit holes. Treat knowledge like a TikTok challenge. Addictive. Obsess over problems, not paychecks. Why Tesla? To end fossil fuels. Why SpaceX? To make humans multiplanetary. Musk's mantra: work on stuff that matters. Ask, will this matter in 100 years? If not, pivot. Fast. Fail faster than a SpaceX prototype. Musk thought Tesla and SpaceX would crash. He poured his last dime into them anyway. Lesson: failure isn't fatal. Quitting is. Your first 10 projects might flop. The 11th? That's the rocket. Musk's blueprint isn't about being the smartest. It's about being the most stubborn. Stop waiting for a sign from the universe. Be the sign. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, smash subscribe. We're dropping mindset hacks every week to turn your someday into today. Next up, don't miss it. Your future empire starts here.